everybody, I'm back for a mega hair giveaway. I hope you're as excited as I am. It's going to last a month, and here are the rules. You only have to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment below, and then make sure that when I click on your username, I can go to your YouTube channel or your YouTube page and I can find your email address. Make sure I can do that or you're not eligible. And I'm sorry, you'll have to live in the United States in order, the lower 48, in order to participate in this giveaway because it's a lot of hair and it would cost a lot of money to ship outside of that area. So you ready? Here we go. Okay, this is, oh, by the way, before we get started, the hair that I'm wearing right now is from Sensational Cloud 9 and it's called What Lace, and I will be doing a review of it a little time later, but let's get started. Okay, this is Equal Bun and Bang, and it is 2 pieces, and I'm going to open it for you so that you can see it. And I believe it's a 1B. Yes, it's a 1B, and I've never worn this. All the hair that you're getting is new hair. It's just leftovers from stuff I've purchased. Okay, so this one you can see still has the net on it, and so it's one of those big buns. See, a big bun, and then it comes with bangs that you can attach to it. Okay, so that's the first piece. Let me put this away. Take too long to put it back in the box. I'll get to that later. Let's get to the next pieces. Okay, this is African Braid Out 12-inch in the color T1B/27. And as you can see, there's 2, I forgot what they call those bundles that are left in this package. And you'll see that I actually have another package that has some of the number 3, the 3rd bundle left, and then so that's like a half a bundle, and then 2 bundles right there as well. Okay, so that's 3 so far. Okay, let's get to this. I recently did a review on cheap braiding hair that if you put a lot of work into it, you can make it look like Brazilian hair. And I bought too much, so here it is. This is a Cacalon, and it's Q volume, and it's 3X. Okay, King Jumbo Braid number 2. So let me show you this. Okay, so this is almost a full pack. So this is like 3/4 of a pack, and this is a full pack. Okay, so there's 2 of those. Okay, and the last ones are 2 of these. This is the Zoey Braid Curly 26-inch, and it's in the color OT30. I think that's OT30. Let me put my glasses on. Yep, OT30. Okay. So here it is. Now these are like the goddess braids, where it's a box braid on top and then it's loose at the bottom, and they're 2 different colors. I think it's like a 1B at the top, and then it kind of looks like, it says a 30 at the bottom. That looks yeah, that looks like a 30 or a number 4. So I have 2 of these. There you go. So this is a great way to get samples of hair. Some of you may have enough for some of the hair to do a complete style, and other hair you may just look at it and see, okay, I like this, I'll buy 1 more, you know, to finish the look. So again, to enter, you have to be a subscriber of this channel. You have to make a comment. There has to be a way for me to contact you via email, and it's not really a good idea to put your email in the comments because of security reasons. You don't want random nut jobs emailing you. So just make sure that when I click on your name for you and search for you through YouTube, that I'm able to find your email address. And you have to be in the United States, the lower 48. That's it. I'm so excited. I'm putting up now, and the contest will run for 30 days. Thanks so much. I wish you all luck, and congratulations early on to the winner. Take care.